Hey friends, my name is Timmy and I share insights on data privacy, governance, analytics, and everything data related. Don't forget to click, like, and subscribe to my channel below. Today, I'm going to speak to you about PIPEDA, also known as the Personal Information Protection and Electronic Documents Act. So PIPEDA is a Canadian federal law that governs how the private sector, organizations handle personal information in the course of commercial activities. This applies to organizations across Canada, except in provinces that have their own private sector laws, such as Quebec, BC, and Alberta as well. Understanding PIPEDA is crucial for ensuring compliance and safeguarding individuals' personal information. So here are some key PIPEDA principles that we can follow. Let's dive in. Firstly, we have accountability. So organizations must designate an individual or individuals responsible for compliance with PIPEDA principles. This includes developing and implementing privacy policies and procedures. Secondly, we have identifying purposes. The purposes for which personal information is collected must be identified by the organization at or before the time of collection. This ensures transparency and allows individuals to understand how their information will be used. Consent. Individuals must give their informed consent for the collection, use, or disclosure of their personal information. Consent can be explicit or implied, depending on the sensitivity of the information and the context as well. Limiting collection. Organizations should only collect the personal information that is deemed necessary for the identified purpose. This minimizes the amount of data that's collected and reduces the risk of misuse as well. Limiting use, disclosure, and retention. Personal information should be used, disclosed, and retained only for the purposes for which it was collected, unless the individual consents otherwise or as required by law. Accuracy. Organizations must ensure that personal information is accurate, complete, and up to date to fulfill the identified purposes. Safeguards. Personal information must be protected by appropriate security safeguards against loss, theft, unauthorized access, disclosure, copying, use, or modification. Openness. Organizations must be open about their privacy policies and practices, providing individuals with easy access to information about these policies. Individual access. Individuals have the right to access their personal information held by an organization and also to challenge its accuracy and completeness as well. Challenging compliance. Individuals have a right to challenge an organization's compliance with PIPEDA principles. Organizations must have procedures in place to receive and respond to complaints and inquiries. By adhering to these principles, organizations can build trust with their customers and protect the privacy of personal information. PIPEDA not only sets out obligations for organizations, but it also vows to empower individuals to take control of their personal data as well. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further information on PIPEDA or any other data privacy topics, feel free to reach out. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights on data privacy, governance, analytics, and a whole host of data-related activities as well.